Hello and welcome back to Playpulse. Today, we are diving into the story of a truly unique cricketer, someone from a football dominant country who might just make an appearance with bat and ball in the IPL. So, are you ready for the excitement of the IPL 2025 auction? Mark your calendars for 24th and 25th November in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. This year, an impressive 1,574 players have registered, including 165 Indians and 409 overseas cricketers, plus 30 players from associate nations. Players come from cricketing hotspots and emerging regions alike, including Italy, Canada, Netherlands, Scotland, USA, and UAE. Amidst this talent-packed roster, one name has caught particular attention, that is Thomas Draka, the sole Italian player to make the IPL cut. Draka's inclusion has sparked curiosity, especially since cricket is still emerging in Italy, a country where football rules. Thomas Jack Draka, who recently turned 24, made history as Italy's first player to register for the IPL 2025 auction. Initially, there were whispers that former Australian and now Italian batter Joe Burns might be Italy's solo IPL registrant. But it was soon confirmed Draka himself is the Italian contender with base price of Indian rupees 30 lakhs. Italy's cricket scene has been slowly developing and Draka's registration is a big step forward on the international stage. A right-handed batsman and right-arm medium pacer, he has made a mark both internationally and in franchisee leagues. Draka has represented Italy in 4 T20Is since the debut against Luxembourg in June 9, 2024. In this short T20I career, he has already taken 8 wickets, including standout performances against teams like Romania and the Isle of Man. His best spell includes a remarkable 3-wicket haul for 9 runs against the Isle of Man in Spinnacito, putting him firmly on the radar of cricket enthusiasts. In franchisee cricket, Draka has showcased his skills with Brampton Wolves in Canada's G20 League, where he earned praise for his consistency. His notable performances, such as taking 3 for 30 against Surrey and 3 for 10 against Mississauga, highlighted his ability to perform under pressure. With 11 wickets in just 5 games, he played a pivotal role in pushing the Wolves to tournament qualifiers. Recently signed by the Mumbai Indians owned MI Emirates for the upcoming ILT20 season in the UAE, Draka is clearly on the radar of big franchises. Who knows, Mumbai Indians might consider him adding to their IPL roster. With his sharp pace and knack for the timely breakthroughs, Draka is certainly one to watch. Whether he will secure a bid in the IPL auction remains to be seen, but he's already captured the attention of cricketing world. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Playpulse. This is Mansa Channa Pregada signing off. Thank you.